Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are reviewing e.l.f.'s Putty Blush and Putty Bronzer. They just came out with the Putty Blush not too long ago, but it isn't like new. The Putty Bronzer is the new. But I never like officially reviewed the Putty Blush on my channel. However, on my Instagram, I did post it and I highly recommend it. I have been using it. So we're just gonna do them together today. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to start with the new, the Putty Bronzer, because I oftentimes do my bronzer first. So this is the outer packaging. This is what it looks like. Blah, blah, blah. It is $6. You can find it on their website or at Target, Ulta, Walmart, pretty much wherever e.l.f. is sold, you can find the Putty Bronzers and the Putty Blushes. It comes in 8 shades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it comes in 8 different shades from like a cool, light, fair, all the way to a deep, dark shade. I got the color Tan Lines, which is like the second lightest. So there's, what is there? So there's Feelin' Shady and then Tan Lines. So I got Tan Lines because I thought that it would go the best with my skin. The box says infused with argan oil and vitamin E. Directions: to put it on, use a brush or clean fingers, gently pat onto the cheeks, forehead, and anywhere else you want a kiss of bronze. Blend out using wide circular motions. As I'm putting it on, let me tell you a little bit about it. It says, what is it? A unique putty to powder bronzer that delivers highly pigmented buildable color for a natural sun-kissed glow. Why we love it: unique putty to powder formula with a semi-matte finish gives skin a natural sun-kissed glow. Highly pigmented buildable color smooths and evens out your complexion. Lightweight, non-greasy wear, enriched with moisturizing argan oil and vitamin E. Okay, so very easy to blend out. I applied it first with my finger, then went in with an e.l.f. powder brush, which is just like a very small complexion brush, to blend it out. I almost feel like I could use a little bit more, so I'm going to go directly in with the brush and gently tap a little bit more on. I definitely feel like it applies very easily. It's easy to blend out. I feel like it's easy to build up the coverage as well. And it gives, like, if I'm looking forward straight at my face, like, it gives such a nice, like, natural glow versus some powder bronzers and other cream bronzers that are really hard to kind of like blend out. I feel like this is giving like very natural, very like non-harsh feelings, you know? Like, I love that. It's so subtle too. I probably could go a shade or two darker. I got Tan Lines erring on the side of caution because I didn't want to get one that was like way too dark for my skin, because I'm pretty fair. Like, I know I look light, obviously, but when it comes to buying cosmetics, I kind of am like borderline fair light. It really depends on the brand and how they formulate their products, but honestly, I'm building this up and I don't feel like it's heavy on the skin. It's really like laying on top of my foundation very well. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation and a little bit of concealer. I did set my concealer, but I haven't set the rest of my face, so this is going on like wet or unset foundation, and it honestly is giving like the nicest, like most natural glow, even if I'm applying it directly with a brush or if I applied it with my fingers first. And that was my huge recommendation on Instagram about the Putty Blush, which we'll get to in just a second, is that it gives like that no makeup look, you know? Like, it's so easy that it just like Yeah, I like that. I don't like a lot of cream products, if I'm being honest. Sometimes I find that they're really hard to blend out depending on the formula. Other times I feel like they mix with my foundation a little bit too much and then it just looks like a muddy mess. This is giving nice subtle glow, nice natural finish. Like I'm looking like I have tan lines. Like honestly, I'm really impressed with how this is working and blending with like my makeup and things like that. Love it. Alright, so let's move on to the Putty blush. I have been using this for a little bit. It comes in a box similar to this with obviously pink rather than brown, but it looks exactly like the Putty bronzer packaging. The e.l.f. Putty blush is also $6. It also comes in 8 different shades. It comes in like bright pinks, peaches, more like brown toned, and berries. Honestly, I cannot remember for the life of me what color I have. I want to say that I have Turks and Caicos. I think. Yeah, I think I have Turks and Caicos. I can't remember, and they don't have the color on the packaging, but I'm pretty sure I have Turks and Caicos. I also recently invested in the Putty blush brush, which is a small stippling brush, so we'll also be trying out and using this as well. I think this was $4 or maybe $6. Let me look. Yeah, this is $4. Which is just like a stipple brush. You can find these really anywhere, but we're going to try it out with this. It says, how to use. Using the Putty blush brush or clean fingers, gently pat over the apples of your cheeks. Continue patting for a smooth, seamless blend. You can always add more product for an intense pop. Let me tell you a little bit about it as I put it on. It says, what is it? A velvety, lightweight putty blush that melts into your skin. Why we love. Highly pigmented, creamy formula melts into skin for a natural glow. Lightweight, buildable formula. Transforms from cream to a semi-matte powder finish. Infused with argan oil and vitamin E for a boost of hydration. Perfect for on the go. Alright, so I don't know if you can really see it. I can't see it all that well on my monitor, but in person I have quite the flush of color on. I built it up pretty well, and I honestly used quite a bit of product. I loaded up this stipple brush really well. I do feel like it still kind of needed buffed out with like a small complexion brush, so maybe using your fingers like I did with the bronzer, using your fingers to apply it and then buffing it out with a small complexion brush or a stipple brush would be a much better application. But honestly, again, sitting on the skin really nicely, giving me like a nice natural flush of color and like not looking too heavy and looking like natural skin. It also sits well with the bronzer. Like, yes, they obviously blended together, but like they didn't become one, if that makes sense. Like you can definitely see like bronzer, blush. But they sit well together. They're sitting well on top of the foundation. For $6, like this is the most natural looking bronzer blush products I've used out there. And again, I'm not a big cream products person. I am very much a powder person. Powder brush, or powder blush, powder bronzer, powder highlight. Give me all the powder products in the world. I think to me powder just works a little bit better on my skin. But like I said on Instagram, the blush and the bronzer, now that I've used it, like honestly gives such a natural finish to the skin. So if you're looking for that like no makeup look, which everybody I think tries to do in the summer especially, like these are going to be your best friend because they also go down to that like semi-matte natural finish. They just look so glowy and not dewy, but like fresh on the skin. Does that make sense? Like they look fresh. They don't look heavy. I don't know. I'm surprised by this bronzer. I think I had high hopes for it. I just don't like cream products, so as I've stated in this video a million times. So I'm excited to play around with these a little bit more, maybe like try and blend them out with sponges and things like that. I might get a couple of different colors of the bronzer as well as the blush to play around. But honestly, highly recommend. I will put these down in the description box below so you can check them out on your own time. If you're looking for that like no makeup look for the summer, you guys, you got you. For $6 each, look at how much product you get. How much is in? So the box says that the net weight is 0.35 ounces or 10 grams. But honestly, like, it's a lot in this jar. Like, it's not like you're going to be going through this jar really quickly. For $6, honestly, Elf, now we're just waiting for the putty highlight. I know it's coming. I know it's coming. Please give us the putty highlight so that we can finish the complexion trio. You already have the putty primers. Give us the putty highlight. We want it. We want it. So yeah, I'll put these in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Have you used the putty products? The e.l.f. putty primers, blush, bronzer. Let me know all of that down in the comment section below. Let's start a conversation. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.